What is up, guys? Today I'm not at school because I'm sick and I'm not good at all. So I'm just doing some stuff a little bit.
So more I can add borax. Like I added a lot of borax and I stirred a lot and it just did not form into slime. It just stayed liquidy. Next glue that I have that we talked about is called the Play School Washable School Glue, and this is a basic white glue. I also thought that it was really nice that there was a seal after you open the cap, which is a plus. So this one definitely comes out smooth and liquidy.
I don't think it's gonna work.
It did take quite a bit of time to become slime. I did have to add quite a bit of borax. Unfortunately, I added way too much borax because I was a little impatient. I'm an impatient person, okay? It got really hard, but it did form into slime. So that's a good thing, and that just shows that this glue works. Just don't add too much borax at a time, like I did. This would be better than the glitter glues.
Definitely think it's gonna work. Yeah, it's gonna work. Use that one before.
So for this glue, I'm actually pleasantly surprised that it works quite well. It does become slime, and also it does become a little bit hard. That's probably on my fault because I added, again, too much borax. I always end up doing that. This is probably the best glue out of all of the glues that I tested out. Definitely way better than the glitter glues for sure. And I'm sure after a few days it would clear up. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Might be right back. Okay guys, I'm on my camera.
So you can see that this is just to show you my slime. I switched up the colors. I kind of like it. Like this slime I really like is they're the same exact slime. Super stretchy, like so super stretchy. You can see like right here. It just keeps my camera up. Open, guys. Okay. See her too, knocking on the door. It's really stretchy. This one used to be kind of clear, but it wasn't as stretchy. I had, okay, so this was a jiggly slime, and this was regular slime, and I added lotion into it, and I just wanted to mix it all up and everything because, I thought would be cool, and it made it more stretchier, as you can see. I have one back home, and I'm also selling this one and the big one, so, like, yeah. Let's do some ASMR. Yo! Let's do some ASMR. Bye! Thank you guys for watching.